Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. And in this video I want to guide students on how to use ClassDojo as their learning platform. So ClassDojo is the platform that you can use to like other classroom platforms such as Google Classroom that I mentioned before this. So if you just log in, if you have account, just click student account, and there are three options that you can use, such as scan QR code that have been given by your maths teacher, or you can also enter your class text code or sign in with Google. But for me, I will enter my class text code because I already have the code. So just enter the code, your classroom code, and it will show you the name of student in the class. So just pick the name of your name that have been listed in the class, and this is the interface that you can post your work, such as in the form of photo, video, draw, file, and journal. And in this by the work, your teacher can see your work and progress. So you also can create a portfolio, such as assign your assignment in this portfolio section. You also can view report about the feedback point that have been given by your teacher in this week. I think that's all from me about the student features that have been provided in the ClassDojo. Thank you.